Welcome back. Today I am going to give you the exercise part for the chapter Rocks and Soil. But before giving you the exercise, let us recapitulate the whole chapter once again. Earth is the third planet from the Sun. Within the first billion years of Earth's history, life appeared in the ocean and began to affect Earth's atmosphere and surface. A crust formed when the molten outer layer of Earth cooled to form a solid. There is more to the Earth than what we can see on the surface. In fact, if you were able to hold the Earth in your hand and slice it in half, you would see that it has multiple layers. But of course, the interior of our world continues to hold some mysteries for us. The earth can be divided into one of two ways, mechanically or chemically. Chemically, which is the most or more popular of the two, it can be divided into the crust, the mantle, which can be subdivided into the upper and lower mantle, and the core, which can also be subdivided into the outer core and inner core. Each rock is made of two or more minerals. Rocks differ in their size, shape, color, texture, origin, and use. Why are rocks important to Earth? They help us to develop new technologies and are used in our everyday lives. Our use of rocks and minerals includes as building materials, cosmetics, cars, roads, and appliances. Rocks and minerals are important for learning about earth, materials, structure, and system. Some of these benefits we derive from rocks include the following. Rocks are very important to mankind because they are one of the base sources of fuel and power. Minerals are extracted from rocks. Salt can be extracted from rocks. Rocks also serve as a source of water supply. Rocks can be subdivided or divided into three types of on the basis of how they are formed. Rocks underwater. Some rocks are formed with small pieces of pebble, gravel, sand, and clay. They are mostly found underwater like shell, sandstone, limestone, etc. Rocks deep inside the earth. Some rocks change their form to make new rocks like marble, slate. Sandstone is a clastic sedimentary rock composed mainly of sand-sized mineral particles or rock fragments or organic material. Shell is a fine-grained clastic sedimentary rock composed of mud, that is mix of flakes of clay, minerals, and tiny fragments of other minerals, especially waters and calcite. Limestone is a carbonate sedimentary rock that is often composed of the skeletal fragments of marine organisms such as coral, mollusks, etc. Marble is a metamorphic rock composed of recrystallized carbonate minerals, most commonly calcite or dolomite. Slate is a fine-grained, foliated, homogeneous metamorphic rock, which is derived from an original shale-type sedimentary rock composed of clay or volcanic ash through low-grade regional metamorphism. It is the finest grained foliated metamorphic rock. Basalt. Basalt is a dark color, fine-grained, igneous rock composed mainly of different kind of minerals. Granite is a common type of igneous rock which is granular. Soil is the topmost layer of the earth's surface. It consists of a mixture of particles of broken rocks, minerals, and decaying plants and animals. It is to all forms of life on the earth directly or indirectly. Soil is formed over a very long period of time due to the weathering of rocks and minerals. The process of soil formation is ongoing. Weathering is the process of breaking down of rocks due to the action of heat, cold, water, wind. The decaying plant and animal matter is called humus. It makes the soil rich in minerals. Soil contains pieces of broken rocks, minerals, decaying plants and animals, air and water. A soil varies in colors and composition. Different places has different types of soil. There are three types of soil: sandy, clay and loam. Sandy soil is a soil that with the high percentage of sand or large soil particles. Clay soil is defined as soil that comprised of very fine mineral particles and not much organic material. The resulting soil is quick, sticky, since there is not much space between the mineral particles and it does not drain well at all. Loam soil is a mixture of soil that is the ideal plant growing medium. It is actually a combination soil, normally equal parts of clay, slate and sand, which gives the benefits of each with few of the disadvantages. Soil is very important to us in many ways. Unscramble the given word. I am giving you 4 words which you have to unscramble. The first words YALECYLISO. I am giving you a hint. This is the name of a soil. The next one is TEWAR. This you can find inside the soil. It contains in the soil. Number 3, RECO. This is a part of earth. Number 4, MOLA. This is also name of a soil. So now let us discuss the answer. The first one, YALECYLISO, and the word is clay soil, and the word is clay soil. Next one is TEWAR, and the answer is water. Number 3, RECO, and the answer is CORE, core. Number 4, MOLA, and the answer is loam, LOAM. Now choose the correct spelling and underline. Number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I have given you 6 set of spellings. So this you have to do on your own, and we have already discussed and I have given you to learn few important spellings in the chapter in the last 2 videos. So please do this on your own. Answer the following questions. Number 1. Write the names of the rock they are made of. Write the names of the rock they are made of. A. Taj Mahal, B. Red Fort, C. Buland Darwaza. A. Taj Mahal, B. Red Fort, C. Buland Darwaza. Answer. The Taj Mahal is made of white marble. The Taj Mahal is made of white marble. B. The Red Fort is made of red sandstone. B. The Red Fort is made of red sandstone. C. The Buland Darwaza is made of red and buff sandstone. The Buland Darwaza is made of red and buff sandstone. Question number 2. What is the earth made of? Question number 2. What is the earth made of? Answer. The earth is made of rocks and minerals. The earth is made of rocks and minerals. Question number 3. What are the different types of rocks? What are the different types of rocks? There are 3 different types of rocks. start writing the answer. There are three different types of rocks. A. Rocks underwater. Rocks underwater. For example, shale, sandstone, limestone, etc. B. Rocks deep inside the earth. B. Rocks deep inside the earth. Example, marble, slate. Example is marble and slate. C. Rocks near the earth's surface. Rocks near the earth's surface. Example, basalt and granite. Basalt and granite. Now, in the same question, there is a part question. On what basis are they divided? On what basis are they divided? And the answer is rocks are divided on the basis of how they are formed. Rocks are divided on the basis of how they are formed. Question number 4. How is soil formed? How is soil formed? And the answer. Soil is formed over a very long period of time due to the weathering of rocks and minerals. I repeat, soil is formed over a very long period of time due to the weathering of rocks and minerals. There are hard rocks on the surface of the earth. There are hard rocks on the surface of the earth. The sun heats up these rocks. The sun heats up these rocks. Rain and wind cool them down. Rain and wind cool them down. They develop crack due to constant heating and cooling. They develop crack due to constant heating and cooling. The cracks get bigger and bigger and then breaks up into small pieces which is carried out by wind and water. I repeat, the cracks get bigger and bigger and then breaks up into small pieces which is carried out by wind and water. These pieces of rocks rub against each other. These pieces of rocks rub against each other and break into very tiny particles These particles get mixed with decaying plants and animals to form soil. These particles get mixed with decaying plants and animals to form soil. Question number 5. What does soil contain? What does soil contain? Answer. Soil contains pieces of broken rocks, minerals, decaying plants and animals, air and water. I repeat, soil contains pieces of broken rocks, minerals, decaying plants and animals, air and water. Question number 6. Name the different types of soil. Name the different types of soil. Answer. A soil varies in color and composition. A soil varies in colors and composition. Different places has different types of soil. Different places has different types of soil. There are 3 types of soil. There are 3 types of soil. A. Sandy. B. Clayey. C. Loam. I repeat, A. Sandy, B. Clayey, C. Loam. Question number 7. What is the difference between clay and sandy soil? What is the difference between clay and sandy soil? Now the answer. Number 1. Sandy soil has the largest particle size. Sandy soil has the largest particle size. But number 1, clay soil has the smallest particle size. Clay soil has the smallest particle size. Number 2, sandy soil drains water fast. Sandy soil drains water fast. But clay soil retains water very well. Clay soil retains water very well. Question number 8. Mention some uses of soil. Question number 8. Mention some uses of soil. Answer. Some uses of soil are the following. Some uses of soil are the following. Soil is important to us in many ways. Soil is important to us in many ways. It provides water and minerals for plants to grow. It provides water and minerals for plants to grow. Soil is the habitat of many tiny creatures like snails, earthworms, etc. Soil is the habitat of many tiny creatures like snails, earthworms, etc. It prevents flood by absorbing rainwater. It prevents flood by absorbing rainwater. Soil provides us with useful minerals like diamond, graphite, etc. Soil provides us with useful minerals like diamond, graphite, etc. Now we are going to do fill in the blanks. Number 1. Each rock is made of 2 or more dash. Each rock is made of 2 or more dash. So the answer will be minerals. Means each rock is made of 2 or more minerals. Number 2. The dash layer of earth is hard and is called the crust. I repeat. Number 2. The dash layer of the earth is hard and is called the crust. So the answer will be the outermost layer of the earth is hard and is called the crust. So the answer is outermost. Number 3. Soil is formed over a very long period of time due to dash of rocks and minerals. I repeat. Soil is formed over a very long period of time due to dash of rocks and minerals. And the answer will be weathering. So what will be the sentence? Soil is formed over a very long period of time due to weathering of rocks and minerals. Number 4. Soil provides dash and dash to plants for growth. I repeat. Soil provides dash and dash to plants for growth. And the answer will be water and minerals. Answer will be water and minerals. So let me again go through the full sentence. Soil provides water and minerals to plants for growth. Number 5. Plants like wheat and rice grow well in dash soil. I repeat. Plants like wheat and rice grow well in dash soil. The answer will be clay soil. The answer will be clay soil. Number 6. Dash is the ideal soil for growth of plants as it contains dash. I repeat, dash is the ideal soil for growth of plants as it contains dash. So the answer will be loam is the ideal soil for growth of plants as it contains humus. So the answer will be loam and humus. Number 7. Dash is the topmost layer of the earth's surface. I repeat, dash is the topmost layer of the earth's surface. So the answer will be soil is the topmost layer of the earth's surface. So the answer is soil.